1. Use a dry, soft rag to clean the glass surface from which you want Rain-X removed. This helps remove loose dust and debris, and reduces the risk for scratches during treatment. 2. Pour equal parts water and white vinegar into a spray bottle. This mixture will be used to remove Rain-X from the glass surface, since vinegar contains natural cleaning properties that can remove most commercial formulas, including Rain-X. 3. Spray the water and vinegar mixture across the entire glass surface. 4. Use the rag to rub and work the vinegar solution into the Rain-X problem areas, or across the entire glass surface. 5. Dry the glass surface using another dry, soft rag. This will wipe away the water and vinegar mixture, as well as any remaining Rain-X residue.